The job description of statistician revolves around the collection, analysis, interpretation, and presentation of numerical data to support informed decision-making across various sectors. Statisticians play a crucial role in understanding trends, testing hypotheses, and providing insights that guide strategies in fields like healthcare, economics, public policy, agriculture, business, and technology. Whether employed by government agencies, private corporations, research institutions, or international organizations, statisticians apply mathematical techniques to solve real-world problems. The primary goal of a statistician is to make sense of data. In a world increasingly driven by information, organizations rely on statisticians to extract meaningful patterns from raw numbers. From predicting disease outbreaks to optimizing marketing strategies or evaluating social programs, their contributions are instrumental in shaping plans and policies. Statisticians often work behind the scenes, but their influence touches decisions that affect large populations and industries. As data becomes more integral to decision-making, the demand for statisticians continues to grow. The role requires a blend of mathematical expertise, critical thinking, and the ability to communicate findings in a way that non-technical stakeholders can understand. Statisticians are not just number crunchers, they are storytellers who explain what the data reveals. Primary responsibilities of a statistician. A statistician begins their work by understanding the problem at hand. This involves meeting with clients, researchers, or internal stakeholders to clarify the goals of the analysis. Clear objectives are essential before designing the right approach to data collection and evaluation. One of the core responsibilities is determining what data to collect and how to collect it. Statisticians design surveys, experiments, or data-gathering protocols that align with research objectives. They may decide the sample size, select sampling methods, and ensure the data collection tools are statistically valid. After the data is gathered, statisticians organize and clean it. This means checking for errors, dealing with missing values, and ensuring the dataset is ready for analysis. This step is vital because inaccurate or messy data can lead to misleading results. Using specialized software and statistical techniques, statisticians analyze the data to uncover trends, test theories, or answer specific questions. Techniques may include regression analysis, hypothesis testing, time series analysis, or multivariate analysis, depending on the context of the study. Once the analysis is complete, statisticians interpret the results. They prepare reports, charts, and visualizations to help communicate findings clearly. Their job isn't only to perform the math, but to translate the results into actionable insights that decision-makers can use. Whether presenting findings to a board of directors, publishing in a scientific journal, or briefing policymakers, clarity and precision are essential. Statisticians also play a key role in validating results and identifying limitations. They assess the reliability and significance of their conclusions, taking into account any potential biases, anomalies, or confounding variables. They often recommend additional studies or suggest alternative interpretations of the data. In some roles, statisticians are responsible for building predictive models or risk assessments. These models help organizations forecast future trends or assess the potential impact of decisions. In business settings, for example, a statistician might help forecast sales or optimize pricing strategies. In public health, they may model the spread of diseases or evaluate the impact of interventions. Collaboration is a major part of the job. Statisticians often work alongside subject matter experts, researchers, IT teams, and managers. Their ability to work across disciplines enhances the value they bring to complex projects. As we delve deeper into their duties and scope, it becomes evident that the job description of statistician involves not just technical proficiency, but also the judgment to interpret results ethically and effectively. Their insights often guide critical decisions with far-reaching consequences, essential skills and qualities for the role. To succeed as a statistician, one must have a strong foundation in mathematics and statistics, a deep understanding of probability, calculus, linear algebra, and statistical theory is essential for carrying out accurate analyses. Analytical thinking is equally important. Statisticians must be able to identify patterns, evaluate assumptions, and solve problems methodically. The ability to think critically and question the validity of data or methods is vital. Proficiency in statistical software is expected. Most statisticians work with tools like R, Python, SAS, SPSS, or Stata. Experience with data visualization tools such as Tableau, Power BI, or Excel also enhances the ability to present findings clearly. Communication skills are critical. Statisticians must translate complex statistical outcomes into insights that others can act upon. Whether through written reports, presentations, or interactive dashboards, they must make data accessible and meaningful. Attention to detail is non-negotiable. Small errors in calculation or data interpretation can result in flawed conclusions. A meticulous approach to data handling, coding, and reporting ensures the integrity of the work. Curiosity and continuous learning are hallmarks of successful statisticians. As data science evolves, new methodologies and tools emerge regularly. Professionals in this field must keep updating their knowledge and exploring innovative ways to improve their practice. Ethical awareness is also necessary. Statisticians handle sensitive data, especially in healthcare, finance, or government research. Understanding the ethical implications of data use and maintaining confidentiality are crucial responsibilities. Work, environment, and challenges. Statisticians typically work in office settings, although remote and hybrid roles have become increasingly common. Their workplaces vary widely, from research labs and universities to banks, government departments, and tech firms. The job is intellectually demanding and often involves long hours spent analyzing data sets or troubleshooting complex problems. Statisticians must balance multiple projects and deadlines while maintaining high levels of accuracy. One common challenge is dealing with incomplete, inconsistent, or biased data. Statisticians must use their judgment to clean and adjust data in a way that preserves the validity of their results. Another challenge is making sure their insights are used appropriately. Sometimes, decision-makers misinterpret data or cherry-pick results. Statisticians must be confident in presenting findings and clarifying misconceptions when necessary. Despite these challenges, many statisticians find their work highly rewarding. They make meaningful contributions to research, innovation, and policy development. Their expertise is increasingly seen as essential in today's data-driven world. Educational requirements and training. A bachelor's degree in statistics, mathematics, or a related field is the minimum requirement for entry-level roles. However, most employers prefer candidates with a master's degree or even a PhD, especially for research or academic positions. Coursework in probability theory, data analysis, computational statistics, and machine learning is often required. Internships or research projects during academic training can provide valuable hands-on experience. Professional certifications, such as those offered by the American Statistical Association or data science programs, can improve job prospects. Continued professional development through online courses, conferences, or statistical journals is recommended. Conclusion. The job description of statistician highlights a role that is deeply analytical, highly impactful, and ever-evolving. These professionals bring order to data chaos and offer clarity in complex situations. Their expertise drives discoveries, improves systems, and supports evidence-based decision-making in nearly every sector. For individuals who enjoy problem-solving, working with numbers, and making a tangible difference through data, the role of a statistician offers both challenge and fulfillment. In a world awash with information, statisticians are the architects of meaning and direction.